Welcome to our first session of AutoCAD course. This course is meant for beginners who want to learn the basic of AutoCAD. In this course, we shall discuss all the important basic commands, features and aspects of AutoCAD. We are going to cover the so many important topics in a certain sequence. Once you become a certified AutoCAD technician, you will notice that your software skills will help out with a lot of your drawing work, while most of your work will be done digitally. I hope going through this respective course AutoCAD, you can learn the basics of AutoCAD. Okay viewers, let me discuss what are the skills it have to be a CAD technician. A good sound knowledge of engineering design principles, a good numeracy and computer skills, a good communication skills, a knowledge of material properties, an understanding of manufacturing process and construction methods, good problem solving skills, creative flair. The topics we are going to cover in this course is in front of us. The first of all, introduction. It deals with the what is meant by AutoCAD and basic commands such as limits and units. Secondly, the basic commands. In explaining most of the basic commands that we are used to do drawing and toolbar and practice the basic commands. Thirdly, creating your first project. In this, we are making a AutoCAD 2D drawing of sleeve and quarter joint and the step-by-step explanation of it. Making of 2D drawings such as wrench, gear, knuckle joint. Next, the AutoCAD 3D. Explaining that what is AutoCAD 3D and we can see the practice drawings. Next, the making of 3D drawings. In this, we are going to make a 3D diagram of bolt, piston, helical spring, and finally the conclusion. In this, we are going to see the summary of the whole course and the conclusion. This is our course structure. The course structure is designed in such a way to get the viewers a clear overview of AutoCAD 2D and as well as 3D. Now we move on to the introduction part of our first session of AutoCAD. The AutoCAD, it is developed by Autodesk that enables the drafters, architects, engineers and other professionals to create two-dimensional and three-dimensional models of mesh and solid surfaces. The AutoCAD allows to visually design and explore your conceptual design ideas. Modify your design using 3D freeform design tools. Generate intelligent model documentation. Transform your design into 3D renderings and turn them into cinematic quality and animated presentations. In our first lecture of our AutoCAD course, we are going to see the basic things such as units and limits. First of all, units. In AutoCAD, it is extremely flexible about drawing units. It's let you have them your way. Usually, you choose the type of the units that you normally use to talk about what you are drawing. Okay, we can see by the AutoCAD software how we set the units. Secondly, the limit command. The limit command in the AutoCAD is used to set an invisible rectangular boundary in the drawing area of the viewport. It limits the grid display and the points to contain. We are required to specify the coordinates of the opposite corners of the rectangular window. Now we shall see how we can set the limits in the AutoCAD. Viewers, we are coming to the end of today's session. I hope going through this respective AutoCAD course, you can learn the basics of AutoCAD. Please watch all the videos. Thanks for watching.